ngayon, ano ba yung business model ng company? Okay? So, simplihan lang natin. Ayan ang business model, subscription. Ayan. Ano ba yung subscription na to? Okay? Subscription business model are based on the idea of selling a product or service to receive monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. Right? In short, ang subscription po or club membership ay nagbabayad po tayo sa mga companies na nag-o-offer ng kanilang products or services. Okay? Para ma-enjoy natin yung products and services nila. Okay? Anong mga sample? Yan, familiar tayo, Amazon. Yan yung mga tao nagbabayad dyan para maka-enjoy ng mga free shipping. Yan, Amazon Prime, ayan, ano yan, kumbaga para makapanood ka ng maraming movies. Right? It's same with Netflix and Disney Plus. Nagbabayad yung mga tao dyan monthly para makapanood ng mga movies, tama? O, itong Sam's Club. And Costco. Pare-pareho po yan sila. Para magkaroon ka ng discount or even free shipping or mga exclusive perks and benefits, yung mga tao nagbabayad po dyan per year. Itong Rocket Car Wash kay Jason Derulo, yung mga tao nagbabayad dyan, papamember dyan monthly para unlimited car wash every month. O, di ba? Sobrang ganda, tama. O, ito pa, Prime Water, Meralco, pamilyar tayo. O, PLDT, Converge, Globe. Nagbabayad yung tao dyan para, di ba, ma-enjoy syempre yung benefits. Pamilyar tayo, SSS, GSIS. Nagbabayad dyan para in the future, di ba, magkaroon ng loan. Tama? Right? Yun po yung subscription. So, about subscription naman, yan. So, ito nga ibang example pa, no? Yan, sa atin dito, S&R, Landers, para makakuha ka ng discount. Di ba, nagbabayad dyan per year din. Ayan, 700 pesos. Itong gym, di ba, nagbabayad 850 to 3,000 para ma-enjoy yung facilities doon sa loob ng gym. Itong Amazon Prime naman, Netflix. Yan, para maka-enjoy ka ng unlimited movies. Nagbabayad dyan monthly. Itong Costco, para may discount ka doon sa loob ng store. Okay? Alam nyo ba that Netflix, magkano lang binabayaran? Magkano? 550 plus, tama, in pesos. Pero ang matindi, 260 plus million na ang subscribers. Alam nyo ba that ang kinita po or revenue, should I say, no, ng Netflix umabot ng 33 billion last year. Ang net profit po niya umabot ng magkano? 5.4 billion dollars. Magkano lang binabayaran ng tao? 550. Pero ang laki-laki na pala ng kinikita ng company. Yung company lang yung mayaman. Right? Itong Costco, 127 million members. 4.5 billion in revenue and membership fees. Right? Though these companies, maganda yung products nila and services, of course. Pero, you don't have what Live Good has. A membership that pays. Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Live Good versus other companies. Alright? So, other companies, ayan, itong S&R, ayan, Landers, Coaching, Fitness First, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Costco, lahat sila may products and services. Tama. So, they have great products and services. Kaso nga lang, walang income sila lahat. Okay? Ang maganda dito, bakit? Dito kay Live Good meron. Ayan. Alright. So, dito, you can be a consumer, you can be a member, or even affiliate, or part or owner, and shareholder. Wow, grabe, shareholder. Ayan, may-ari ka ba ng company? Ayan, so later on, mas malalaman nyo kung bakit. Ayan, at kung paano. So, ang tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more? Highlight natin na, or more per month. Ayan, sino gusto dito? Type me. Ayan, so kung gusto mo, ayan, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So, how to become a Live Good member or affiliate? So, paano ba? Actually, meron tayong two options here. Option number 1, we have a monthly membership. Alright? So, meron po tayong one-time affiliate fee na $40 and monthly membership fee na $9.95. That is $14.95 or around $2.950 or less. Right? And in our succeeding months, para ma-maintain yung membership natin or subscription, $9.95 na lang po yung babayaran natin. Okay, magkano yung peso? Mga around 580, 590. Right? More or less. Okay? So, meron naman tayong second option which is yearly. Same pa rin sa affiliate fee, $40. Tapos, dito naman, kasi yearly na to meron 99.95 na yearly fee. Membership fee. 139.95 lahat. 8,190 pesos. Yan. So, dito, nakasave ka po ng $20 or 2 months. Kasi yung 2 months dito, nilibre na po ng company sa'yo once you pay the yearly membership. Ayan. So, ganun siya kaganda. Okay? So ano ba naman yung ano yung benefits, I mean, pag naging Live Good member or affiliate. Okay? So dito, okay, you can have access to membership club, right? So lahat po ng products and even services soon na i-release ng company, magkakaroon ka po ng access. Okay? And digital marketing products. So lahat dito, yung nasa online na meron yung company, you can use all of that. Especially this replicated website. Kasi dito hindi ka lang bibigyan ng isa. Not 2, not 3, but 7. Grabe, no? 7 replicated website. Talagang I could say no na value for money. No? Yung company nagbibigay talaga ng support, ng tools and systems. E dito, meron tayong free online training by Zoom. Okay? And of course, lifetime support. Ayan. And you can save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies. And we also have here, actually 8 na to, 8 ways to earn. Okay? So, dito naman, ang advantage. Here are the advantage, no? Ayan, mention ko lang. Oh, inano ko na yung kahit 10 lang, no? So, we have product, dito, wala ng product package. Ibig sabihin, dito, hindi ka ipipilitin again na, magbenta agad ng products, no? Or even, bumili ng products. Okay? Kasi wala na itong product package kasi hiwalay na po yung membership at package. Okay? And wala na ring overpricing ng products. Kasi dito, hindi na po pinag-isa yung products and membership. Hiwalay po sila. Okay? And at the same time, hindi na po pinagkakitaan masyado ng company yung mga products. Okay? And dito rin, wala nang left and right pairing. Hindi mo na kailangan mag left and right para kumita ka. Okay, dito as long as later on mas malalaman nyo kung paano dito, once sa main enroll ka, kikita ka. And dito wala ng monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. Yan, ibig sabihin, again, hindi ka na dito i-require bumili ng products every month para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo at makuha yung commission mo. And of course, dito wala na ring fifth pair incentive. Okay? Dito sa company, dito sa Live Good is that lahat po dito pure income. And the best part ito kasi dito wala na ring limit ng encoding, unlimited in short yung pag-encode. Mag-encode ka hanggat sa gusto mo. Okay? Oh, mag-encode ka kasi dito hindi ka pipigil ng company. Alright? Oh, kasi dito wala na ring flash out. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na matatakot kasi may iba na nag-hold ng income. Ayan, sa may mga experience dito, alam niyo yan. Di ba? Para kumita yung mga upline, mag-hold, di ba? No, kasi may limit of ano lang yan limit of pair. 5 pairs, 7 pairs, 6 pairs. 'Di ba? Pag sumobra, back to zero. Mawawala yung pinaghirapan mo. 'Di ba? So wala na yan. Okay? In unexplained deductions, wala na rin yan. Multiple accounts and big package, wala na rin. Okay? Tinanggal na po yun ng company. And ito, delayed payout, wala na rin yan. Okay? Kasi ako personally, no, sa previous company namin, sobrang delay. No? Almost magpo 4 years kami dun. Grabe, hindi pa naayos talaga. Delay pa rin yung payout. Pero dito, hindi man on time, advance pa binibigay yung payout. Wow, ganun kaganda. Alright? And to tell you, here are some of the benefits din once na maging affiliate ka na. I could say na talaga value for money. Kasi ito pa lang mga natin landing pages and website. O meron tayong isang Live Good Company site. Okay? May pangalan mo yan sa taas. Okay? Nandun yung regarding about sa company owners, the products, and we have 2 Powerline landing page. We have English and Spanish. Wow, ganun kalupit, no? And we also have retail site. Okay? So sa retail site natin, of course, e-com and dropshipping ready na tayo. Open in 200 plus countries. Alright? And we also have 2 product site. Ayan. So, we're in itong product site natin, ito yung greens and reds. We're in, pwede natin i-share, right? And pag nag-order sila, company na yung magsi-ship, magpapak, mangolekta ng bayad, ikaw, kaching-kaching na lang. Di ba? And we also have, ito, Live Good Clinic site, bagong-bago lang to. Okay, meron tayong mga FDA approved na mga, na mga drugs. Ayan, okay? O, ano po ito, kumbaga prescription medications actually, na nakakatulong actually sa mga gusto lose ng weight. Okay? So, actually, available pa lang po ito sa US as of the moment. Ayan. Okay? So, ganun po aganda. We also have trainings. Alright? Training schedules. And gaya ng sabi ko, we have 8 ways to earn here. So, weekly fast start, retail commissions, matching bonuses, matrix commissions, influencer, customer acquisition, diamond and crown, diamond bonus pool. So, isa-isahin po natin yan. Okay? So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a forced matrix. Ayan. So, dalawa na lang po. Okay? Unilevel and forced matrix. So, paano ba to? Okay? Sa quick money or fast start, okay, quick money, ibig sabihin kung gusto mong mabilis, okay, kung gusto mong kumita agad, quick money po. Okay? So, the fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and pay the $49.95. Alright, so ibig sabihin, kalahati, 50% ng monthly and affiliate fee. Okay? Pag nag-monthly ka lang, di ba? $25 kada tao. And the best part ito kasi unlimited yung pwede mong i-sponsor. Tapos pag nag-rank up ka pa, ibig sabihin, pag nakapag-invite pa yung invite mo under you, okay, depending on your rank, kikita ka pa. Okay? Depending on your rank tapos by level. Ganun kaganda. Alright? So, ngayon, isipin mo, mahirap mag-enroll. Naku, tingnan mo na ang top 10 natin. Top 1, 2,510 personal enroll. Grabe, no? O, meron ditong 1,200, 11, 600, 550, 540. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. Alright? And ano ba yung rank qualification? So ito, I will not dive deep, okay, sa pag-explain talaga kasi meron naman tayong separate training about this one. Pero para may idea kayo, itong bronze, at least dalawa lang na enroll. And minimum na our average na kinikita dito ng bronze is 50 to 5,544 pesos. Alright? O yung silver, magkano? Ilang team? At least 20 na total team. So yung average na kinikita ng silver rank is 5,6 to 16,8. Itong gold naman, according to sa ating CEO, magkano yung gold? 28 to 224,000. Yung gold rank. Minimum at least 100 na total team. Oh, hindi pa diyan nagtatapos, meron pa tayong platinum. Okay? Yung platinum naman, minimum of 1,000 to 8,000 yung kinikita. USD. That is 56,000 to 448. Oh, ilang team? At least 500 na total team. And up. Alright? Tandaan mo naman, minimum of 2,500 na active members. Right? And maganda sa Diamond kasi, grabe, life-changing income na rin. 336,000 to 2.2 M yung kinikita dito. And di pa dyan nagtatapos, meron pa tayong Crown Diamond. Minimum of 50,000 na total team. Alright? And ang maganda ito kasi pag Crown Diamond, ito grabe. Magkano kinikita ng Crown? 2.8 to 4.4 million. Grabe. So, ganun kalupit. Okay? Oh. So, ngayon, ito naman yung next natin, itong retirement money. From the word retirement, matrix commissions. So, ito siya. Okay? Lahat tayo nalagay sa isang matrix. 2 by 15. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw, may frontline kang dalawa. Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, pag may nalalagay ng mga tao under you, what will happen pag nagsusubscribe sila every month, meron ka pong magkano? 0.25 cents or 14 pesos kada tao. Okay? So, ngayon, ang maganda kasi, pag nag-rank up ka, meron kang, additional pa na talagang dumudoble actually yung kita mo, yung maximum. Example, unrank, isa or walang na-refer, pwede siyang potential na kumita 118. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na second month, third month, hindi po. Pag mapuno po yung tao under dyan. Alright? No, itong bronze silver, 200 plus thousand. Gold platinum, 400 plus. Diamond naman, 950 plus thousand. So, ganun po. Kaya retirement money, retirement po kasi ma-appreciate mo siya pagka tumagal in long term. Right? Kasi imagine mo 14 pesos kada tao lang under you nagsusubscribe. Yun yung kikitain mo, 'di ba? Kaya retirement money po talaga siya. Okay? And ito po yung sample no, yung paano siya nagwo-work. Example, ikaw, number of people dalawa sa first level. Kikitain mo 0.50. Yan, parang ganito yan, ikaw, first level mo dalawa, kikitain mo diyan 0.50 cents. Alright? Okay. So, pag nakapag-refer ka, let's say, ang mangyayari, lahat sila na sa left. Okay? Tapos right ulit. So, pag may apat ka na on your second level, $1. Second level, $2. 8 people. 16 people, $4. 32 people, $8. And so on. Right? Hanggang sa 15th level, 32,000 plus. 8,190. Yung pwede mong maximum kitain dyan sa 15th level. Ganun kalupit. Alright? Tapos ito naman yung wealthy money. Matching. Itong matching hindi to left and right na kailangan may left and right ka para kumita, hindi po. Yung matching bonus, yung monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Okay? So, anong nangyari po diyan, simple lang. Kasi lahat tayo may matrix, tama. Ikaw, yung na-refer mo may matrix. So, pag yung team mo, yung mga na-refer mo, nakapag-create ng team of subscribers, nagsusubscribe every month, okay? Kung magkano kinikita niya sa matrix, meron kang 50%. Wow, grabe. Dito ako sobrang na mind blown. Pwede palang ganun, no? Kasi sa previous company ko, natulungan ko yung one of my directs actually, kumita ng malaki. Actually, 7 figures nga eh. Wala akong kalahati. Pero dito, tulungan mo lang, mga na-refer mo, dumami subscriber, meron kang kalahati sa kita niya. Oh, alright? Oh, for example, ikaw to. Okay? Oh, si Mateo, kumita ng 10,000. Nakapag-rate ng mga subscriber eh. Maraming subscriber under sa kanya. 10,000. Magkano sa'yo? 5. Marie, 5,000. Magkano sa'yo? 2,500. Si Lucy, 15,000. Ano sa'yo? 7,500. Arthur, 1,000. Sa'yo, 500. Si Robert, 20,000. Oh, 10,000 sa'yo. Okay? The more directs you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. Oh, to lahat, total, magkano? 25,500. Eh, ang matindi kasi unlimited. Unlimited. Ibig sabihin, pag mas marami kang na-refer, marami kang natulungan, kumita, nakapag-rate ng maraming subscriber, 50% ka ng 50%. Grabe, no? Oh, oh. So ito, sampulan natin, no? Okay, ito sinampulan ko na mismo sa akin na. Sa upper earnings ng isang Live Good affiliate. So ito actually this year lang, January. So ito, mga na-refer ko actually yan. Makita mo naman, personal enrolled eh. Itong kapatid ko yan, in-enroll ng mama ko. Okay? O magkano kinita nila sa Matrix? Kasi nakapag-rate ng mga subscriber eh. O ito, si Coach Ryan, 52,800 kinita niya sa Matrix. Yan yung mama ko. Ayan, 36,268. Ito, yung isang refer natin si Coach Jana actually. Alright, 40,401 kinita niya. Ito isang kapatid ko, kumita ng 17,557. Okay, ito matindi. Ilang taon pa lang siya that time. Alright, actually, na siya? 18 years old. Grabe, no? Okay, kasi natrabaho ko eh. Okay, natrabaho ko talaga. So, magkano yung matching ko? Oh, okay, Coach Ryan, kumita lang naman ng 26,000. Oh, sa mama ko 18,000. Oh, isa sa mga direct ko si Coach Jana 8,000. Oh, sa kapatid ko magkano match ko? 4,000. And marami pa yan actually. Alright? Ganun po. So pag mas marami ka dito natutulungan, mas marami kang natulungan kumita, mas marami kang matching, mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain sa match. Ganun katindi. Alright? Oh, sample lang ko kayo. Pag dito, kung seryoso ka, kung tatrabaho ka talaga, we suggest idamay mo na kahit dalawang family member mo. Kahit dalawa lang. Kasi darating yung time, pagka mapuno yan, okay, walang time frame, it could take 3, 5, or even 10 years. Pag mapuno yan, you as bronze, pwede kang kumita maximum 4,095.50. Tapos yung dalawang family member mo, pwede silang kumita ng 2,000 plus USD. Kaya combine silang dalawa sa matrix, 4,095. And syempre, dahil may match ka sa kanila, 2,047.50 yung kikitain mo sa kanilang dalawa. So magkano kita mo? All in all, 500,000 monthly income. Yes, that is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Pwede na ba? Pwedeng-pwede. Di ba? Kahit pa actually umabot yun ng 10 or even 15 years, actually sulit pa rin yan. Kasi iba-iba nga 40 years na, di ba? Magkano pa rin yung kinikita. Pero ito, di ba? Pagka na-investan mo talaga ng time, no? Magsusubscribe ka religiously, right? In your family, darating yung time, pwede talaga yung kitain. Pero why settle sa dalawa? Kung pwede ka nung mas marami pa na syempre ma-sharean at syempre ma-bless din, no? O let's say nakapag-direct ka ng 20. So ito hindi naman necessarily talaga na tamad. Pero kumbaga sabihin na lang natin na busy, alright? O let's say umabot ang time, no? It could take up to 5, 10 or even 15 years, no? Napuno yung matrix nila, lahat sila. So sila kumikita ng 2,047.50 USD. Magkano say 1,000 plus USD. So all in all, kikitain mo sa kanila lahat kasi match ka ng match eh. Kumikita sila eh. 20,475 USD. Pag gano yan, that is 1.1 million monthly income. That is month after month after month after month. No? Ganun kalupit. Grabe, no? No. Di ba? Okay. O, ito. Bigyan ko kayo ng sample. Isa sa mga affiliates. I don't know kung kanino to. Okay. Yung income niya sa matrix and matching. So, nung time na to, yung gold pa lang siya. Alright. This was last year. Right? Nung gold pa lang siya, yan. Kita niya nung matrix and matching. 307.68 USD. Oh, magkano? 17,295 nung gold siya. Ito matindi kasi binilisan niya. Oh, nag-platinum. Oh, ito nag-peak yung ano talaga yung income niya. Alam mo magkano? Yan, this year lang din to, nag 3.5. That is 200 plus thousand pesos. Oh, ang laki ng pinagkaiba, di ba? Okay? Sabihin talagang rank up is the key. Rank up is the key. Right? If you want big, yan, talagang kailangan marami ka rin tulungan na kumita. Diamond bonus pool. Kasi dito, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. So, let's say, nagkaroon po ng sales yung company na 15M USD times 2%, so 300,000 lahat. So, let's say, meron palang 60 diamonds, pero actually, mga 115 na po plus yung diamonds. So, lahat ng diamonds may 5,000. On top, 5,000 USD on top sa mga kinikita nila kanina, ha? Iba pa yun. Iba pa to. Grabe talaga, no? O ito sampulan natin, no? So dito, patunay lang po ito na dito hindi po naunahan. Okay? Sabi mo na mga ano lang kumikita, hindi po. 'Di ba? Kasi ito, ako'y nauna, okay? Ito na-refer ko lang din. Alright? Na-refer ko lang din naniwala talagang trabaho. Sineryoso talaga. Oh, meet Coach Ryan Rosales. Yan sa mga na invite natin dito. Nag-diamond po siya, nauna po siya mag-diamond sa akin. 'Di ba? Walang kaso 'yun. Mas masaya ako doon, 'di ba? Hmm. O, magkano kinikita niya? O, to 3 months. O, last year and this year lang. Alright? Ito matindi. Kung ito total natin yan, alam mo magkano? That is 16,000 plus USD. Almost 1M. Imagine mo ito, 6 months ko. 6 months ko nakita, sa kanya 3 months lang. Grabe, no? Ganon kalupit. Diba? Kaya talaga I could say life-changing. Especially pag nag-hit tayo ng diamond. Kaya let's all go for diamond. Alright? And ito yung pwedeng mangyari din sa iyo. Once na talagang ginawa mo rin to. Inaral mo at ginawa to. Alright? Ayan. Tapos, di pa yung nagtatapos. Meron pa tayong rich and famous money. The Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Kanina naman is, 2%. Right? Dito naman is 0.5%. And of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Crown Diamonds. Right? So, dito naman is, let's say 15M USD. Right? 15M USD yung sales pa rin times 0.5%. So, all in all, 75,000 USD. So, as of now, actually, tatlo na po yung Crown Diamond. Pero, for example purposes lang. So, let's say dalawa pa lang. Dalawang Crown Diamond na yun, maghahati ng 37.5 USD. Sampulan natin. Ito, sample earning ng Crown Diamond. 'Di ba? Itong pinakauna, first Crown Diamond si Tim Miller. Alright? So, siya po naka-achieve po ng first 7 figures in US dollar in just 13 months. Yes, you heard it right. 13 months. Okay? And isa din sa mga pinakamalaking kinita niya. Ayan. Okay? Umabot po ng 80,000 USD. That is 4.4 million pesos. Ganon kalaki. Grabe, no? And that is our future. Alright? Oh, ganun kalupit. Alright? So, ito pa, nagdagdag pa yung company. Iba na kontento. Customer acquisition bonuses. Ito, pag when your direct members place their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as customer acquisition bonus. Parang weekly fast start lang din. Pag nag-rank up ka, tapos nag-order yung team mo under you, ayan, meron kang kikitain na certain percentage. Ayan. And ito po yung mga kumita na actually. And of course, isa na rin po tayo dito. Talagang kumita din kahit paano. Okay? And some of these earnings actually hindi na po updated. Okay? So, bakit ko po sinishare din sa inyo? Kasi para makita mo rin na talaga dito pwedeng magkaroon ng result. Okay? Ganun kaganda. And right now, nasa 1.5 million paid members na po tayo. Grabe, indeed the fastest growing MLM or direct sales company in the industry this year, 2024, and in the years to come. Alright? And to tell you, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. 1.5 million, tip of the iceberg pa lang po yun. Okay? And even yung first 5 million subscribers, it's only tip of the iceberg. Kasi vision natin, 20 to 30 million subscribers will be joining in 10 to 20 years. Yes, and our projection, we will have 3 to 5 million subscribers before the year ends, this December 2024. So right now, I want to remind you, no? Kung talagang nakikita mo, nakikita namin, gawin mo na agad. Huwag ka na mag-aksaya ng panahon. Alright? Kung iniisip mo rin naman na baka, wala ka na, 'di ba? So ano pang mawawala sa iyo kung walang-wala ka na? Tama? You have to try. Ang buhay subok-subok lang. Hindi mo malalaman yung isang bagay kung para sa iyo kung hindi ka magta-try. You just have to try. And magkano lang naman? Less than 3,000, my goodness, baka mas mahal pa yung cellphone na hawak mo ngayon. Tama? Kasi we believe this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Parang train to, guys. Parang train to. Si Live Good parang train. Di ba alam natin yung train? Di ba? Dadaan, bubukas yung pinto, sasakay ka hindi, magsasara yung pinto, aandar, tama. Pero ito, hindi to ordinary train. This is a bullet train. Right? Magnetic levitation train. Right? I could say. Yung Shanghai Maglev. Shanghai Maglev, one of the fastest or based on my research, no, fastest train in the world. Kasi operated siya by magnetic levitation. Para siyang lumulutang na lang talaga. Kaya ang bilis. Right? Ang bilis niya ng takbo. Ganon din si Live Good, di ba? Pipikit ka, di ba? 1.5. Pag dilat mo, 2M na. Di ba? Pipikit ka ulit, didilat ka, 3M, 4M, 5M, 10M, 20, 30, 40, even 50 or 100 million members or subscribers. Darating tayo dyan. No? So, what's my point? Kasi in the future, dalawang pwede mong sabihin. Buti na lang or sayang. Ano mas gusto mo? 'Di ba? Buti na lang ginawa mo 'to, 'di ba? Yung 3,000 mo, 'di ba? 'Di ba yung sumubok ka? Oh, kahit paano kumikita ka. Inaral mo at ginawa mo eh. Or sayang, sayang. Yung kinikita at resulta nila, dapat kinikita at resulta ko na din. Oh, anong gusto mo? Okay? I'm not saying this one para convince ka kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince. But, ito lang masasabi ko, gawin mo man to o hindi, mas dadami yung members dito. Mas marami yung kikita, mas marami mababago yung buhay. Ang tanong, kumusta ka? Right? Kumusta ka? May pagbabago pa rin ba sa buhay mo? Ayan. So, decide now. You have to decide. Kung nagpe-pray ka man ng opportunity, baka ito na yun. Baka ito na yun. You have to take action. You have to take action. Kasi pag nag-take action ka, malay mo. 'Di ba? Oh, malay mo. 'Di ba? Ito na yung pwedeng magbago rin ang buhay mo. Kagaya ng nangyari din sa marami sa amin dito. Alright? So, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi dito sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Alright? Kung ikaw, no, you've been praying for an opportunity and di mo alam kung ano yung para sa'yo, marami nag-aalok sa'yo, yan, or lito ka na, di mo alam, baka ito na, nandito ka na. Diba? O, sundan mo yung puso mo. Right? And do this. Do live good. And literally, live good. Alright? So, again, I'm reminding you, faith without work is dead. So, kahit pinakita sa'yo, kung di ka magte-take action, it's useless. Again, it's useless. Kaya you have to take action. ASAP. Okay? ASAP. ASAP. Okay? Because success loves speed. Right? So with that, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you. Let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So maraming salamat and thank you so much for tuning in and staying with me until the end. Hopefully that you found value sa pakikinig sa akin and natulungan kita na makapag-decide na gawin ito and mag-join in this life-changing opportunity. So with that, again, maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa inyo, no? Sa mga first timers and to all of you na nanood. And God bless and see you all at the top.